How do you maintain that? Well, I just came from a 15-day. In fact, I don't want it to be more in Abra. Yeah, I spent it in Abra. I spent it with my partner and my daughter. When I look at her, allow me to share this anecdote. This is what made me realize everything. I say to myself, my daughter's 3 years old. I've been keeping all the time since she was born, since she was in the womb of her mom. This is the longest time I've spent with my daughter. Sabi ko, and I'm already 48. By the time I reach 60, 65, my daughter, iilan out of that year, baka isang total of cumulative is 1 year ko
Oo.
lang siyang kasama. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? I mean, when we die, and I've seen other people, successful people, rich people, hindi naman, ang dami mong certifications, but at the end of the day, the final certification will be your death certificate. Hindi naman siya ipapaskil dyan. Nobody would like, it's how you show up. The people that matters. When I was with all my previous engagements, I always empower my people. Now the people I work under, those people reporting under me, they all now have their own careers, and then from time to time we all get together. They'd say, "Sir, thank you for trusting us." That is good. You develop people. But then 15 days in Abra, I see my daughter. Anong iisipin ng anak ko sa akin pag tumanda 'to? Absentee father ako? So that's what so now I'm currently well, you know that. It's a deliberate choice. Then we have to align the next steps of what you're gonna do with what is important. You protect your energy. You protect your peace of mind. I mean, chasing after promotions, chasing after titles is good, but all of those are borrowed. Sabi niyo nga po, Oracle, ang ganda ng news nila. They earned, ang laki ng kinita. Then, a few months after, 30,000 gone. Saan ka dadalhin? If your identity is attached to your job, if your identity is attached to your title, yun
Correct.
po ang masakit do'n.